guys, and welcome back to another unboxing. It is Wednesday and it is time to reveal the next unboxing, brought to you by Amazon. Now again, this was a really nicely priced one, $3.99 on Amazon. So we're going to get into the package and show you. This isn't a Disney theme one, but I saw it and it was really lovely. It's a dog with some little ducks and I thought, oh, gotta have that. So the thing is with Amazon, when you put one to the checkout, they'll go, here's one you might like. And then you put that, and then there's another, and another, and another. And yeah, while they're at this price, I just want to keep getting them because, yeah. So let's get into this and see what it looks like. Oh, wow, this feels chunky. Oh, gosh, that feels really big. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So this one, as you can see, this is one of them ones that are the lovely packs, you know, where they put you've got the painting and then obviously the drills here. And you might have seen, as you can see up here, it's a 30x40 and it is a little puppy, well, two little puppies with an umbrella and one little cute little duck. So let's get into it and see what we got. I'm really excited about this one because this has been on my wish list for a couple of times now, so really lovely. It's nice with the new packaging where you've got the painting and then the drills. You get a really good clear indication. I'm really happy with that. So we'll take a look at the drills a little bit later on, but it's a little bit bent there, but that's okay. Let's get into this. And oh, I see the Labradors. Again, we've got our boat. No baggies in this one. I mean, sometimes they do send an extra pen as well, but yeah, absolutely gorgeous, that one there. So really, really good. And we'll turn it over. This seems really bent up, but we'll see what we can do. There might be a lot of rivets in that. As you can see, it's been really folded up on this one, but a little book should flatten that out. But that looks brilliant. So this is nice. We've got some new symbols here by the looks of it, because if you look at that one, that's a different symbol. I've never used that one before, but this has got 25 colours in it with your number symbol and your DMC code. It's a 30x40. Lovely colour, really lovely clear print. Again, very good colour, you know, gives us some practice on some multi-placing, and it's got that sort of like segment part to it, so you've got all your different segments. Two little Labradors there. It looks like the inside of the umbrella has got the black inside. It's really gorgeous, and the Labradors have like a little tinge of the yellow on their ears, like a reflection from the sun or something. I think this might be the sun going around here probably. And then we've got the cute little duck there, so I thought that would be quite nice for a rainy day. I'm not sure when I'll be doing this yet, and I think that's probably a door handle or something, perhaps with a lead going around there for the dogs maybe. But and then obviously down here you've got the reflection of the water. So really lovely one for $3.99. But as I said, I will have to put some books on this and try and flatten it out a bit. But really lovely, and it's a full drill as well. Okay, so let's get into the drills. And these are our drills. It looks really nice. Okay, so these look really nice indeed. So we've got our little beige ones. Oh yeah, these have got some lovely colours in this. Look at that. That is so vibrant. That's a blue. I think that's probably a teal. And then we've got a darker blue, some purple. I do like that colour. Oh, what the hell is that? Some sort of gunk. I don't know what that is, but can you see it's like a white flaky thing? Hope it's not someone's finger now. Don't know what that is. Some gunk. Some peachy colour there. Yellows, oranges, red and yellow and pink and green. It'd be funny if you had one all the colour of the rainbow. We've got some red, some sort of like brute colour. I call that brute because, you know, like the aftershave brute and stuff. With that cream and stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. That's funky. That dark purple's gorgeous. Oh, I like that. And then the red, and then yeah, a little bit blue. But my favourite colour out of all that, I do like the teal, which is that colour. But I think out of the lot, these two here seem to be the most vibrant. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's lovely. So as you can see, with diamond painting, you always have a continuous supply. You never really get bored of these things. Once you're in it for good. But as you can see, really, really lovely, and I can't wait to get this one done. Really, really, really lovely indeed. Diamond paints on a budget, you might like this one, because you like doing animals and stuff. But yeah, I can't wait to get into this. It looks really, really lovely. But please remember to like, share, subscribe. The link's in the description of the video if you want to subscribe to this and get it for yourself. But apart from that, that's been me. I'll see you on Friday for the next unboxing, because we do it twice a week now, just to break the week up a bit. And yeah, if you want to get it, I pay $3.99, but yeah, if you want to get it for yourself. And that'll be that. What I have just noticed is I've never seen that on a painting before, but it looks like you're not allowed to put it in the bin by the looks of it. But that's new. I've never seen them on paintings before. But anyway, take care, guys, and we'll see you on Friday for the next unboxing. Bye, guys.